Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to update WhatsApp using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your App Store or your Play Store. So now just go ahead and click on the search button and search for WhatsApp. So now here, as you can see that I have the open button, right? But if you see an update button, just go ahead and click on that. So I'm just gonna show you what I mean by the update button. So I'm just gonna search for YouTube because my YouTube app needs to be updated. Okay, so let's just wait for it. So now here, as you can see at the YouTube, you can see the update button, right? So if you see that on your WhatsApp, just go ahead and click on that to update your WhatsApp. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.